Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Movie Studio 17 Platinum tutorial on a double exposure effect, just like you've seen at the very beginning of this video. Now, I hope I'm not talking too fast, as anyone following my channel knows I got speech problems. And when I get really anxious, today was a real bad day for anxiety. Like, really, really bad day. So I'll try and slow down. But if I'm talking fast, I'm sorry, guys. I really apologize. I'm just a real bad day today. And that's another story. Let's get on with the tutorial. So we're going to create a double exposure effect like you've seen at the very beginning of this video. So what we're going to do here, this is some footage I took of a pump jack about a month and a half ago west of our city. So we're going to create, the topic is going to be oil and gas. So we're going to create a double exposure effect here. So right click, insert video track. There's our image. It has to be a PNG, transparent PNG image to make this work. So you can find these if you Google them. You can find, just search for transparent PNG and you'll find sites that will have images that will work. But there's one thing you have to know when you're using Movie Studio or Vegas Pro when you're using images. If you don't select widescreen, 69 widescreen, when you're zooming in, it's going to cut the edges off right about here. You probably noticed that if you're doing any work with images. It chops the edges off. And the reason why, you have to go to Event Pen and Crop, with the cursor at the beginning, go to Event Pen and Crop, and you have to select cursor at the beginning, right here, 69 widescreen. Now, you can zoom in all the way, and it'll take up the full frame. What we're going to do here, just put the cursor at the beginning. We're going to zoom this in a bit. Let's get it in the frame there. Okay. Now, we're going to put the cursor at the end here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drag this all the way in. To the topic, oil. So multiply mask, and there's the effect. It's kind of like the mask text effect, but we're using an image here to give it a double exposure effect. It looks pretty cool. So if you didn't have widescreen selected, these would be chopping off the edges right now. So basically, that's all you have to do to create a double exposure effect in Movie Studio. We'll work in all versions of Movie Studio and Vegas as well. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.